This is what I have been doing for the past like 1 year. I have taken my time because it's like a hobby. That's like once a week, a few hours doing, so slow pace, and no really reason to take it any faster than that, because it's it's just for fun. It looks like the steering is veering little bit right, but yeah, that's what I was afraid. I was hoping that there's a little bit like a camber. It's camber. Anyway, the tires are leaning a little bit like this, 15 degrees, and I was hoping that it would prevent the tires from getting kicked to one side or another. Yeah, it still wants to turn. Is there anything I can do? Okay, because it doesn't want to do it in the other direction, and I can see that one wheel is on air because the tire turns around this point, and the contact with ground is over here, so there's a like offset. So whenever, and because this is angled, whenever this tire is like pushing, like, because if the other tires are on air, this makes it so that it wants to turn in this direction, I think. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Yeah. Got myself stirring. Yay! Back up a little bit. I'm going to push it like this. Okay. So like this, the steering doesn't feel heavy, so I can easily make it go where I want. It's pushing like what happens? Yeah, but as soon as I let go, the tires get kinked, so it always wants to go in that direction. It's level. It's not. I don't think it's level, so that could cause it. I have tightened the bolts already, so I can't kick it in place. Second objective of this test is like try to figure out how I'm going to sit in this thing. Got myself a wet piece of rotten wood. I'm going to wet my ass with this thing. Ah. Oh, goddammit. Sitting like this, like standing up, like my back. This feels quite nice. I wouldn't mind riding downhill with this thing as long as I have a seat here. But what this thing is actually, it's not a downhill vehicle, but it's like a, I'm planning to put a sail on this thing and go with the wind power. I guess it's a little bit more back. Also, notice at this point the steering wheel could change because this is quite big for the intended use. Downhill is fucking awesome, but it might have to be a little bit smaller. See, I can turn it because I was worried about like if the steering is very heavy that I need the leverage, but this seems just fine. About this car itself, like I said, it's like a sail powered vehicle going with the wind power, and also there's few like design choices that I have made. I wanted to fit in my trunk of my car, so that's why it has to be, oh sorry, I want to be able to disassemble it fairly easily every time. And because the sail is going to stick in the middle, I wanted this reach out to make like a fire support, like a cable supporting the mast of the vehicle from bending every way. And at this point there's also a beam missing here and here that the sails are going to attach to. A little bit disappointed, not surprised that much that the steering isn't working, but there's also another problem that I have to overcome, because I don't think these wheels are going to roll in the, because I'm going to, if this is going to work in the sails configuration, I'm going to use it on frozen lake top, and it's not like in movies that it's clear ice. There's pretty much always going to be a little bit more or less snow, and I have to actually wait for the good conditions where there's not too much snow. But I don't think these wheels are going to roll over the snow, and they are not going to grip the ice, so this might be like not working at all like I intended it, but no matter. Yeah. Hey, let's try finding something that I can push this down like a hill. Okay, so I'm actually kind of pleased with this, even though there's problem with the thing. It was alright going downhill. It was pretty fun. Even though it wasn't steep hill at all, but I probably will replace the steering wheel because it's too big and it might be even a little bit long. As a downhill kart, I think this is pretty awesome. I just need a brake for this because right now it doesn't have any kind of like braking system, so it's you have to be careful where you're going. Yeah, it's not going down, so I'm going to just disassemble this and I have to find this holes a little bit bigger, so there's more wiggle room. I'm happy the steering alignment is alright. But yeah, but the seat, I think this works surprisingly well, so I might do some kind of thing where this kind of flank is attached to the middle piece. Yeah, I guess that's about it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.